Hey guys, how's everyone doing? Just want to say I'm sorry for the way things went last week on the show. I was working, so just kind of had to get on my cell phone and then come back home, and then it like messed the picture all up or something. I don't know what went on there, but we will be on track. I will be on track this week. I don't want to speak for nobody else, because everyone could have the technical difficulties, but I will be on track this week. Just want to let you guys know that. Like I said, sorry for the way things went last week, but we'll get back together. And hope you guys enjoyed the show. Anyways, looks like you did. Looks like Neil done 100% taking care of the show, just like he said he was going to, which I had no doubt he was going to. And I'm glad you guys bared with us and hung in there. Looks like all you guys enjoyed yourselves. I'm hoping you did. So stop in this week and you'll enjoy yourself even more. It's okay, guys. I just wanted to say thank you, and Neil, I want to say thank you for doing the show. The show must go on, as you said, and thank you for that, brother. Really appreciate that. Really appreciate you. So, and you guys too. Because without you guys, the show wouldn't be nothing. Because if no one's watching, then there's no show. So we all know this. So again, guys. All right. Thank you again. Love you guys and look forward to seeing y'all this week. MD out.